Hey, Kelsey here. How are you doing? I sat down to write this email and I was like, my brain is somewhere else today. I cannot write. So I'm sorry about that. Anyway, I just wanted to give you some updates about what's going on with me. It's the first of the month, which, holy cow. And I've got a lot going on behind the scenes, but I am not doing a great job of sharing it with you. So that's what this video is all about. Some things that are going on with me are my Magnolia pre-sale is live. It's not a pre-sale anymore. It's like a sale. So I've got some boxes over there about the Magnolias that I'm shipping. Okay, this mirrored screen thing is throwing me off. So I'm working on those. I'm working on a cake for a photo shoot at the end of March, and I'm going to incorporate like lots of fun, bold colors, like this cake right here, something that's similar to that, but a little bit more trendy in 2023-ish for my 2023 brides and early 2024. I'm already getting some requests for those dates, and I'm super excited because everything's about color and boldness and just creativity, and that's totally what I'm here for. So that's another thing I'm working on. I'm also still doing my weekly Instagram What's Kelsey Working On Wednesday videos. They are very silly and a little awkward, but come join me. Come say hi. They're less awkward when people interact with me. And you can also watch the recordings if you want to be amused. So those are some things that are going on with me. My website shop has officially changed from Shopify to WooCommerce. So if that is something that you are interested in learning more about, please let me know. I would love to nerd out with you about WooCommerce. As an Etsy seller, it's like giving me all of the customization options that I really wanted from Etsy, but doesn't happen because it's a marketplace. So let's nerd out about WooCommerce together, or sugar flowers, or wedding trends, or whatever you want. Thanks for watching this video and opening this email. I hope you have a fabulous day, and I will see you later. Bye.